Did you know? Roses have been around for over 35 million years, and fossils prove it. Some rose bushes can live for hundreds of years. There's one in Germany that's over 1,000 years old and still blooming. Not all roses are red. There are green, blue, and even black varieties, though the black rose is actually a very dark red. And here's something weird. Rose petals are edible and often used in desserts, tea, and even skincare. So the next time you smell a rose, you might also be able to snack on it.